Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the BitSure 512GB internal SSD, specifically designed as a replacement for the 2012 and early 2013 MacBook Pro Retina models. If you're holding onto one of these classics, you know the struggle of aging hardware. This SSD promises to breathe new life into your trusty machine. First things first, compatibility. This SSD is tailored for the MacBook Pro Retina 13-inch, a 1425, EMC 25 57 2672 from late 2012 to early 2013, and the MacBook Pro Retina 15-inch, a 1398, EMC 25 12 2673 from mid 2012 to early 2013. It's crucial to match both the model number and the EMC number to ensure compatibility. This drive will not work with the 2013 to 2015 models, so double-check before you buy. BitSure claims this SSD will significantly improve your Mac's performance. They're using original factory particles and SATA 3 technology, boasting read speeds up to 520 megabytes s and write speeds up to 480 megabytes s. In real-world use, this translates to faster boot times, quicker application loading, and an overall snappier experience. The drive itself is built with a premium controller and 3D TLC NAND flash memory, which should contribute to both performance and longevity. It also supports ECC trim, NCQ, and SMART, all features designed to ensure data security and extend the lifespan of the drive. One of the most appealing aspects of this SSD is the promise of easy installation. BitSure includes everything you need: the SSD itself, 2 screwdrivers for removing the back panel and mounting screws, and a detailed instruction manual. The SSD comes with macOS 10.15 Catalina pre-installed, which simplifies the upgrade process. Simply replace the old drive, boot up, and you should be good to go. However, it's important to note that your Mac needs to be running at least High Sierra 10.13 before you attempt the installation. BitSure offers a 5-year after-sales service, which is reassuring. They also provide 24-hour technical support should you run into any issues during the installation or use of the drive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.